Hello everyone. Welcome back to Chanchan channel. Today, we will delve into a lesser-known aspect of the famous KFC fried chicken, the process of raising chickens and the criticism surrounding it. Have you ever wondered where these crispy chicken pieces come from and what the conditions for raising chickens at KFC are like? There have been many differing opinions, from animal welfare issues to the environmental impact caused by large-scale farming. In this video, we will explore and examine these controversies from various perspectives. If you're interested in the stories behind this familiar dish, don't miss this video. Hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to support me, and now, let's get started. KFC fried chicken has conquered billions of customers and is loved all over the world, marking a long journey filled with many failures and challenges. The KFC startup story begins with a man in his 60s, Colonel Harlan Sanders. In the 1930s, Harlan Sanders began his career by frying chicken at a gas station to serve customers. His passion for food inspired him to come up with the idea of creating fast food with the perfect sauce. However, by 1950, Harlan Sanders had to give up the business he had worked so hard to build due to a highway project passing through the area. Thus, at the age of 65, Colonel Harlan Sanders was truly bankrupt, having to sell all his assets in Corbin and receiving only a mere $105 in unemployment benefits. Nevertheless, he remained determined to travel across the United States to sell his spice mixes and fried chicken recipes to independent restaurants to prove the appeal of his fried chicken. If they liked his chicken, Sanders planned to provide the spice mix and charge a fee of 5 cents for each chicken meal sold by the restaurant. On his journey to win over partners, Harlan Sanders was rejected 1,009 times, but that did not defeat him. Gradually, as he gained recognition, restaurant owners began to come to him or send franchise applications, and Sanders no longer had to travel. From then on, the KFC fried chicken chain grew so rapidly that its founder could hardly imagine such a scenario happening. As of March 2024, KFC has over 30,000 stores worldwide, spread across nearly 150 countries. KFC is now one of the largest fast food brands globally and continues to grow thanks to rapid expansion through franchise partners in various countries. At KFC stores, the chicken preparation process is very strict and professional, standardized to ensure consistent flavor and quality worldwide. KFC uses fresh chicken, usually from young chickens, to ensure the meat is tender and easily absorbs the seasoning. The chicken undergoes strict quality checks and is stored under the best conditions before cooking. The chicken is cleaned and thoroughly prepared, cut into parts such as wings, thighs, breasts, and drumsticks. Then, the chicken is soaked in brine to help tenderize the meat and eliminate any unpleasant odors. KFC chicken is famous for its distinctive flavor from a seasoning blend of 11 herbs and spices. This recipe is KFC's proprietary secret, known only to a select few. The chicken is first dipped in water, then rolled in a seasoned flour mixture, usually made with all-purpose flour. This step is often repeated several times to create a thick and crispy coating. KFC chicken is fried in an industrial pressure fryer, a technique that ensures the meat is tender on the inside while maintaining a crispy exterior. After frying, the chicken is checked for crispiness and flavor to ensure it meets standards. The chicken is then kept warm for a short period to ensure it is hot when it reaches the customer. Despite being very successful and having a significant position in the global fast food market, the chicken farming process at KFC's farms has always been a mystery with much controversy among a large number of consumers. The BBC channel has also released a BBC One documentary titled The $1 Billion Chicken Shop to provide viewers with an objective look at KFC. The documentary includes footage taken at one of KFC's 1,000 chicken farms, a place where approximately 34,000 chickens are raised from hatch to slaughter in an industrial process that lasts only 35 days. In the film, the 34,000 chickens are confined in a farming facility with few windows and must live among piles of waste. Activists claim that the living conditions are cramped. Nevertheless, the farmers assert that the chickens are living very well. It is known that the chickens living on the farm do nothing but eat and sleep. By the 36th day of their lives, hundreds of chickens from a batch will head straight to the gas chamber, and each one is divided into 9 pieces sent to dealers nationwide. The documentary footage shows that the flock had to walk around their own waste while a layer of sawdust had turned a murky brown from cleaning up the waste. Each year, around 900 million chickens are produced in the UK, but over 30 million die on farms due to poor quality or during the rearing process. Some farms raising chickens for KFC have been criticized for using antibiotics to prevent disease in overcrowded conditions. This can lead to antibiotic resistance, affecting public health. Industrial farming operations release a large amount of greenhouse gases, such as methane, and wastewater containing chicken waste, chemical fertilizers, antibiotics, and growth hormones, which can pollute water and air sources. According to animal rights activists, the lives of KFC chickens are very cramped. Andrew Taylor, director of Animal Aid, stated, "These chickens do not live well, they endure a miserable life in windowless farms reeking of ammonia. Many of them die from hunger and dehydration." Although it has sparked much controversy after the documentary was released, KFC remains a very famous brand worldwide. Even reporters covering the story shared that they reported very objectively because what KFC brings to the fast food industry globally is significant.